Alright guys, so pink sheets out in front of you. And today we're going to review rounding and estimating with decimals. Okay? So let's say that we have 8 and 8/10 times 2 and 5/10. What did we this one? We did do this one yesterday?
Yeah.
All right, let's just change it a little bit. We'll do 4. Okay. All right, so if we have 4.8 or 4 and 8/10, right? What would we round that decimal to, Jackson? To 8 wholes?
No, 4
To 4 wholes. So I'm going to look at, are you rounding to the ones place then?
Yeah.
So I'm going to look at the ones place and draw an arrow to the right. If this number is 5 or more, I'm going to add 1. If it's less than 5, I just drop it. So what would 4.8 round to? Okay.
5.
5. Okay, if we think about what this number really is, it's the whole number 4, and we're thinking, is 4.8 closer to 5, or is it closer to 4? 5, right? Okay. So now let's look at 2.5, or 2 and 5
Tenths.
Okay. So we're going to look at that 5. What would you round that number to? Sydney.
3.
To 3. And can you tell me where you got that?
I got it because the 5 right there is the rule is if it's 5 or more, you just add like 1 more whole.
Right. So if we really think about that, we're thinking about like a number line, and we have 2, and we have 3. Wouldn't 2.5 be in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're thinking to ourselves, is this number closer to 2 or is it closer to 3? Well, it's right in the middle, isn't it? So we just say if it's 5 or bigger, add 1. So go up. So we'll say it's closer to 3. So then, for my estimate, I just multiply these two. And what do I get? 15. Is that my actual answer?
No.
What is it?
Estimate.
My estimate. So I'm going to write estimate by it. On your test, you're going to have to estimate and find an actual answer. Make sure you tell me which one is your estimate. Otherwise, when I'm grading it, I'm not going to know which is which, right? So I would write estimate like I just asked you. Okay, now I'm ready to find my actual answer, right? All right. Okay. So 5 times 8?
40.
Oh, I don't hear Kayla. 5 times 8?
40.
Put my 0 down, carry the
4.
5 times 4?
20.
Plus
4. 24.
24. Crossing that off. I'm going to my next row, Selma, so what do I need to have? My placeholder. Why?
Hold your place.
Well, to hold my place, but why?
Because you're going to just like,
Am I doing 2 times 8 or am I doing 20?
20 because it's
20. So when
10.
because this is a shortcut, I've got to put my 0 for tens, right? And remember, our first step when we multiply decimals, we ignore the decimals, right? So I'm ignoring my decimal points. Okay, so 2 times 8,
16.
put my 6 down, carry the
1.
2 times 4,
8.
plus 1.
9.
Kyle's got it. Ah. Now what?
Add.
Do I need to put a plus sign in an answer line?
Yes.
Okay. 0 plus 0?
0.
4 plus 6?
10.
Put my
1.
0
0.
down,
Carry the 1.
Carry the
1.
1.
1 plus 2 plus 9.
12.
Am I done?
No, you need to put your decimal point between the 2 and 0.
How do you know it goes between the 2 and the 0?
Because there's two decimal places because the 8 has one and then the 5 has one, and you just have to add those.
Can I just bring it straight down?
No.
No. Okay, so I've got to count these and go 1, 2. Okay, my actual answer is 12.00. Is that reasonable?
Yes.
Okay, so I always want to look back at my estimate and see, is 12 holes close to 15 holes? Then yes, it's reasonable. Let's go ahead and label this actual answer. Jasmine, did you label it?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm telling you, Friday on your test, it doesn't tell you to label which is which, but you're supposed to do both for like a whole page and a half. So you've got quite a bit to do.
So on our test, we have to label it actual answer and estimate.
Yeah, it looks something like this. And it doesn't, your only directions are up here, and it says multiply, estimate to show your answer is reasonable. But it gives you space to work, but it doesn't have like an answer line for each. But you have to do both for every problem. And look at, you've got a whole page. This is your test. Well, seriously, can you see them?
I said one.
Okay. Sydney.
So on our test, can we just like shorten estimate to EST?
That would be okay. Yeah, because that's a lot of writing the word estimate. Okay, Kylie.
And can we like label actual answer like A.A?
I would maybe actual or answer. Yeah. Right. All right, guys.